SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. It is a security protocol that creates an encrypted link between a web browser and a web server. Consider web server your hosting plan where your website is hosted, and the web browser whichever the browser that you're using. For example, Chrome, Firefox, Vivaldi. Now, an example of SSL being installed on your website, it is like this. This is my website, and if you click on this icon, you will see that connection is secure. This connection is secure means this SSL certificate on my websites gives SSL good SEO score, gives the user trust of your website, and protects some transactional information from hackers. So there are many benefits of having SSL certificate on your website. Suppose if your website is showing something like this, like not secure, and you want to install SSL certificate, then you need to either have an auto SSL feature in your hosting plan. Like in this case, it is I do not have auto SSL feature in this SSL TLS status section, because most of the websites now are having auto SSL feature included, which gives users to install SSL certificates right from the hosting plan. But now in some basic hosting plans, like very basic hosting plans, do not have this auto SSL feature. So how you would like to how you are going to install this SSL certificate? In that case, you need to purchase the SSL certificates and then install that on your website. But if we check the market prices of any SSL certificate, the basic SSL certificate, which is DV SSL certificate, comes like in $11 for 1 year. This is from the Namecheap, and this https.in market shows one SSL certificate in 1200 Indian rupees, and in HostGator it is 1500 rupees. So you get the idea of prices. So sometimes this budget is too much. Like when we initially start designing website, we are not signed up for all such investment. So there is a way to install SSL, that too for free. Yeah, you heard it right. So we are going to install SSL for free. In order to do that, I would like you to go to your favorite browser and type 0SSL certificate, 0ssl.com, and go to pricing sections. Once you are in the pricing section, you will see four plans. We are only interested in this free plan. So just sign that up and log into that account. I have already logged in, and as you can see, this is the interface of the dashboard. Now click on new certificate. Also make sure on which domain or subdomain you want to install SSL certificate. In my case, it is this. On this subdomain, I want to install SSL certificate. So I will copy this name and paste it over here. Click next. I will select the 90-day certificate, because DV certificates which are free in the market would have 90-day certificate validity. Click on next, and the first plan is selected already. Click next. It's taking some time to load. Okay, your certificate has been created. Okay, now we need to verify our domain ownership, because we need to prove that domain ownership, because we want to let the system know that we are the only one who is trying to install SSL certificate on. Okay, so from here, click on the email account wherever you are able to access the emails on. I have selected admin@techdecipher.com. Click next and click on verify domains. Okay, now it is saying an email with a verification link has been sent. Now you need to check your email to check if the email is arrived about verification from 0SSL. So it might take some time in some cases. Not to worry about. The email will show up anytime soon. It is a good habit to go to junk section to see if the email is there. Sometimes the email go to junk section. We'll refresh this one more time. Okay, so you refresh the page again and again, and as you can see, it one email came from 0SSL verified domains. And click on that email, click on go to verification page. Once you are in this page, copy this verification key. It is okay, and you paste that there. Click next, and it is saying that thank you, the verification is done. I mean, you have entered the right key. Now come here and click on refresh status. Okay, great. Now it is showing congratulations. Now click on install, and depending upon your hosting control panel, you need to select. For example, I have a control panel called as cPanel, so I need to select cPanel. And in your case, you may be installing it on your Ubuntu server, or you may be installing it on your Windows hosting which has place control panel. So I will select cPanel and click on certificate installation. Once you are you have downloaded that one, click on you need to extract that downloaded file. So right click on this file, click on click extract all, extract. Okay, now you see 3 files with it. One is CA bundle, second is certificate, and third is private key. So certificate, what the second file which is called a certificate is very important. This is the file that we need to upload, and the private key is something that we'll need for in further steps. So go back to your control panel, go back to your hosting, and click on I'm already in SSL status page. You need to go to SSL TLS page and click on CRT, and here on this section click on choose file under choose a certificate section, and this is the file part. I'll make sure I am in this part only. I am in right. I think I am not in right. Now I am in right directory. So I will click on certificate and click on open, and you provide a description for your own understanding. For example, free SSL from 0SSL. Click upload certificate, go back and click on install, and you see this private key. Now this is the exact, the private key we have downloaded. This the file that we have downloaded had a private key folder, so you need to go to that particular private key, right click on it, open with your notepad utility. I have notepad++, so and copy this private key and paste it there. Once you have pasted that, click on install certificate, and you will get SSL host successfully installed. Now click on OK. Now go to SSL status page to verify if the SSL is installed, and you can see a DV SSL certificate is installed. Now you will refresh the page, and you can see the connection is secure. This is how you install SSL certificate for free on your website. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and like, and also you can go to my website, which is called as techdecipher.com, for awesome and tips similar to like this.